Where's Abby's head, everyone?
Hello viewers, welcome to Campbell River Discovery Passage Aquarium, where the wonders of the ocean come to life. This aquarium is dedicated to marine education. Here is the admission price. You can find it in front of the entry of the aquarium, or you can ask the staff. This aquarium is good for all ages, especially kids. They like this area the most. Usually in the summertime, this place is busy and it's open every day between 10 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. In other seasons, the time might change, so you can check online for the timetable. To enjoy this beautiful aquarium, stay with me and watch my full video.
Sorry.
Come explore, learn, and inspire by the beauty of ocean. Whether you're a local or visiting from afar, the Campbell River Discovery Passage Aquarium invites you to dive into adventure. Though not a huge place, but full of interesting displays. Many interactive opportunities with knowledgeable and friendly staff to stay engaged and entertained.
Oh yeah, you're supposed to look out here.
Kids and adults can touch sea creatures and discover how they thrive in their natural habitats. Before touching the sea life, you have to wash your hands. This touch tank is a fun experience for all ages.
Hey, where's Abby's head, everyone?
So the interesting part is when we came here, the octopus was hiding, and right now he is out. When you take a picture, turn off your flash because the octopus gets scared and hides. Hope everyone likes my Discovery Passage Aquarium video. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experience with me. See you in my next video. Bye!